YouTube! Alyson here. No, hey guys, we're back. You saw Alyson's Lego haul video a couple weeks ago.
If they did.
If they did?
Mm-hmm.
Of course they did. Why wouldn't they?
Because people are sometimes behind on YouTuber videos, like I am.
What? What? I don't know what that means.
I have too much YouTubers what I love to watch.
But you always watch my videos, right? So.
I do watch some of them.
Oh, some of them.
Yes. I saw the horsey one come out. I haven't been able to watch it yet.
The horsey one?
Yeah. I'm going to watch it today.
So. We've got the set Alyson picked out. One of them. It's 41381 Rescue Mission Boat. Now, why did you pick this set out?
Because I love animals.
And which animal in this set is your favorite?
The unicorn.
I think that's a narwhal, isn't it? Isn't that the one with the...
Yeah, but it's also called a unicorn pony.
A unicorn pony? What?
A unicorn.
A unicorn whale? I think it's a narwhal is what it is, I think. I could be wrong. It's been a while.
No, it's a unicorn.
Okay, it's a unicorn. So, we're going to build this set so Alyson can have lots of fun with it. And I don't know, are we going to be bombarded by Mr. John? Is he going to find us?
No clue.
He has like this sense. When he hears that Lego shaky noise, he's like, Lego?
I ripped it a little.
Hey, stop that! So, anyway, we're going to start getting this built. And Alyson is going to do all the work all by herself because she said that's what she wanted to do. What?
No.
I was just going to build this little plastic yellow boat. And you were going to do the big boat?
No. I think it's swapping.
You think we're swapping?
Yeah, I think I should do the tiny yellow boat and you should do the big boat.
So, we're going to build this one way or another. And we're going to do a detailed runaround of this boat when we're done. So, we're going to show you guys all the cool stuff about it. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
You sure?
Mm-hmm.
What's on your head?
It's fluffy balls.
Why do you have fluffy balls on your head?
Because I love Fluffy and I love a rainbow fluffy ball on my head. It's not really on my head.
I'm surprised you didn't wear like the unicorn one or something.
I don't have a unicorn one.
You did?
No. Johnny broke it.
Well, let's build this boat.
I'm on a boat! I'm on a boat! Everybody look at me cause I'm sailing on a boat!
Did you enjoy building that? So, we've got the boat here. We've got a little an island and, I don't know, some other little island? Is that two islands?
Yeah.
And a big boat with a crane. That's cool. Can lift things up. So, what do you like best about this set? Just general. The whale. She likes the whale the best. Awesome. So what we're going to do now, which we haven't done before, we're going to let Alyson give you a close-up, detailed tour of all the intricate pieces of this boat. Right? So, and we'll let Alyson tell you all about it.
This has a little treasure map and also you can, well, you don't really see the treasure Yeah, but it's there. You just gotta put water on it, and then a cute little telescope. And then this is where the little dolphin will sit with the seashell and palm tree. And over here is where all the fishies and all the animals hang out. And then an octopus. If you open the chest, there are jewels in there. And then over here is a captain, where they control the ship.
It's called the helm.
The helm. And then a little relaxing place right here. And then they have like a little flag with a thing what you get.
Satellite dish.
Yeah, satellite dish with some speakers. Daddy will love speakers on our boat. Tons. And then this little area, I call it the pointer finger because it looks like a pointer finger.
The boat launch.
So, and then I go like that, and then it just goes and starts.
Deploys the boat.
And then somehow you're gonna have to get back on the boat. And then here's a little crane. This little thing makes it go down and up with this so we can rescue a cute little wheel. And then we have a cute little robot. I don't know what it's for, but that's okay. And then some health stuff for the cutie, a little ball for it, and then some life jackets to go and save her. And then in here we have their bedrooms. The blue one goes right here. The green one goes right here, and the pink one goes right here. And then they have a cute little bathroom door with the bathroom in it, of course. And then they have like a little kitchen and
I think it's their laboratory.
Yeah, but you could also use it for a kitchen.
I guess.
And then with the little computer, my sister's always hogs those. Now this is a microscope. I don't know how to say it right. Then in here has the cold stuff.
No, I don't think that's. I think it's a coffee machine.
Oh.
The microscope's over there.
Oh, well, and we have a cold.
Some ice packs in the freezer.
With a nurse's thing. I don't know why. And then some cabinets.
Awesome.
With a little water thing so the water goes in.
Keep the whale wet.
Yeah. So it doesn't die.
So there we have it. We've got the rescue boat, right? The Friends rescue boat.
If you want to put the little wheel in there, you would rather have to take this off or take the horn off and kind of push it in there. I say it's kind of easier to take off the horn and put it in there and then put back the horn and just pretend that never happened.
All right. You gonna do the outro?
No.
You're not gonna tell everyone thanks for watching your build?
Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Throw a comment down below and don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.